What is the format? Time allowed 3 hours, maximum marks 250. Section A of theory and philosophies of 130 marks. It has 13 questions, each of 10 marks. In section A, we have 13 questions. 13 questions of each 10 marks. And in section B of case studies, we have only 6 questions of 20 marks each. So in this section, in section B, in section A, we have 13 questions. In section B, we have 6 questions, and it is of 130 marks. It is of 120 marks. It is of 120 marks. Now just tell me, while solving 13 questions, you will have to go for brainstorming or the thought process 13 times. How many times? 13 times. But while answering the questions of section B, you have to go for both brainstorming and thought process only for 6 times. So every brainstorming, when I teach you what is brainstorming and what is, everybody is talking about brainstorming and making thought processes, but they are very, very complicated ways. I'll tell you very, very simple ways so that you can go for brainstorming in seconds. So this section B is more productive, but at the same time, it is more challenging, the most challenging one. And why it has become challenging? It has become challenging because the preparation for section A is full of errors that people are going for cramming. People are just cramming the answers. People are cramming the theories, right? People are giving the same recommendations of second ARC for foundational values that everybody is giving. So they are not scoring marks. So there is a problem in learning section A, and that is why section B becomes complicated. So how much score I want you to target? Since you are the students of Sambhavam IAS, it has given us, and it's a divine platform with divine purpose for the nation, for you people, for your family, for the society. And since I am also a very spiritual kind of person, I'm telling you, we have to target beyond 200 plus, right? Think of 250. If you think of 250, then you can score 200 easily. And it's very much surprising. People say it's next to impossible. Don't discuss with such kind of jinx. Don't discuss with such kind of persons who are narrow-minded. Compare the way they studied ethics and the way I am teaching you ethics. Just compare. You'll come to know there's a huge difference. And that is why they can never imagine, they can never think of scoring 200 marks or above. So the problem lies in the way they are preparing or the way they are being taught by some mediocres or by some book readers. So what I will do, I will start with, first of all, the most challenging section, section B. First of all, I'll make you I'll make you expert of section B. And I have prepared some formulae to solve case study questions, right? And while establishing your understanding in section B, I will also discuss different kind of things of section A. And when we actually come to section A, you will realize, sir, we have already become a master of section A. So all the chapters we'll study, we'll learn, but not the way that has been drawn by the UPSC, the way that has been meant by the UPSC. We have to understand the purpose of UPSC, what UPSC actually want, the students to give answers. We'll study in the same manner.